Oh, you're gonna keep going.
Woo!
Okay, you got the slugs next.
Shit.
The slugs are gonna blow apart the plywood.
Huh?
The slugs will blow apart the plywood.
That's it.
No, keep going.
Keep going.
Yep.
Hold on, my arm hurts.
You better tough it out.
Woo!
One more.
Sure, hit it one more.
Got one left. Don't let it hit the ground.
One more?
Don't let it hit the ground.
Oh, one more.
Think.
Alright, you're done.
Woo!